Districts are consolidating their sprawling ed tech inventories and the extra products they picked up from during the pandemic. Education companies are often looking to improve their products and services by partnering with other companies in the industry. There are a few important elements that make for a good partnership that are important to keep in mind. First, it's important for the companies to talk about their shared missions and what they see as the best way to accomplish it. You may think you're on the same page when it comes to your shared goals, for example, but you might not have the same values and priorities when it comes to how to execute your plans. Figuring that out first will prevent headaches later on. Also important to get buy-in from key counterparts. Partnerships in education organizations often mean deep technological integrations, meaning that it involves months of planning, meetings, and checking up on progress. These duties often fall on just a few key points of contact in an organization. Getting their buy-in to the partnership is crucial. So is empowering them to own these processes and to keep lines of communication as open as possible. And lastly, be sure to get visibility into shared customers. The next generation of customer data platforms have made it a lot easier for companies to get a sense of what their shared customer base looks like. They make it easier to know what kind of opportunities might be available to help expand their reach without disclosing sensitive or proprietary information. Use what's available in the marketplace to determine if two companies really are a strategic fit.